By year's end, hundreds of federal agency leases will be terminated. The General Services Administration, in partnership with the Department of Government Efficiency, is clearing office and buildings nationwide, with lease cancellations coming in waves, shuttering a total of 2 million square feet of office space. The IRS, Social Security Administration, Department of Agriculture, and U.S. Geological Survey each face 20 or more lease cancellations across their agencies. Each dot marks a location set to close. The GSA is focused on agreements which can be vacated without penalty first. Starting in Massachusetts with the Natural Resources Conservation Service, or in Idaho with the Animal and Plant Health Inspection Service, both set to close in June. By August, the Federal Highway Administration in Iowa and the IRS National Office in Alabama will shut their doors. A month later, it's the Bureau of Prisons in Atlanta and the FDA in Baltimore. And by December, dozens more closures, including the National Park Service in Colorado and Alaska and the Federal Railroad Administration in Fort Worth, Texas. According to DOGE, there's close to 800 lease terminations underway, equaling at least $500 million in savings. The GSA is the nation's largest real estate organization. Their website claims they provide workspaces for over 1 million federal employees. On DOGE's website, there's a leaderboard showing which agencies are saving the most money, and the #1 spot is the GSA. The Associated Press says federal agencies and U.S. lawmakers are trying to save their workspaces by appealing the order. On the other hand, a new poll released Thursday shows some voters are divided on DOGE, with the majority believing the cost-cutting agency is hurting the country. 54% oppose Elon Musk's actions, while 40% say he's actually helping the nation. The Quinnipiac poll surveyed nearly 1,200 registered voters this month, and the data reveals a divide over federal workers. 60% oppose DOGE's handling of the federal workforce, while 36% agree with Musk's approach. Although DOGE and the GSA are initiating the cancellations, it's important to note that it's not guaranteed all these leases will be terminated. Agencies could still have options to reduce their current space, move to a new office, or negotiate a new lease to stay in the same location. For Straight Arrow News, I'm Kaylee Carey. Find more stories like this one on the Straight Arrow News mobile app.